Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust 110cc carburetor, easy method. Start by cleaning the carburetor and setting the idle screw to a baseline before adjusting mixture. Work in a well-ventilated area with the fuel valve off and the air filter removed for access. Use small quarter turns when adjusting the mixture and count clicks to keep track. Test on the track briefly, then fine-tune the idle for smooth throttle response and steady RPM. Begin with the engine warm and at idle when adjusting the mixture screw for best results. Turn the screw in slowly until the engine stumbles, then back out to the point where RPM peaks and sounds smooth. Count quarter turns or clicks so you can replicate settings later and avoid overleaning. Make small changes and test ride briefly between adjustments to confirm acceleration and throttle response improve without popping or bogging. After the mixture is set, fine-tune the idle screw to reach a stable idle that matches the engine spec or personal preference. Increase idle slightly if the engine stalls at low throttle and recheck the mixture to prevent running too rich. Secure the air filter and all clamps before a full test ride to avoid debris getting into the carburetor. Reassess after a short ride and make tiny adjustments until throttle response is crisp and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.